Here I am, Ayala Mall, in the Valley. Tignan nyo, Lods. 2025 just in case. Ito, they fixed it for Christmas and New Year. By the way, they got a lot of new things now. Tignan nyo, it's about time they made a parking lot. Itong mall na to, kapos na kapos sa parking lot, nakakainis. But it's a good mall, it's just the parking lot, it's the problem. Ito, nandito nga pala ako, tignan nyo. It's still on construction, look, sarado pa rin. But look at this. I'm about to pass by. There. Yun yung playground. Ito rin, ang ganda ng Christmas tree, oh. I was about to handle my business, right? I was gonna do some stuff for the family thing. And look, this is how it looked just in case matagal na rin kayo hindi nakapunta o hindi pa kayo nakapunta for the Christmas and New Year. Ito nga pala, yan, oh, tingnan nyo. Yung biyahe dyan, it goes to Makati and all over the place. Maganda yan, direct yan, straight to Makati. Ito pa rin, oh. I was about to go to SNR right here. But look, pinapakita ko ulit on the side, ito yung bago nilang parking lot. It's about time, guys, na magkaroon kayo ng parking lot. Sakit kasi sa ulo yan eh. Ganda ng mall, daming tao, kulang sa parking lot. Real bad. Ito nga pala yung around SNR, yan ang itsura niya ngayon. So just in case, guys, you haven't been here in a while, a lot of changes. So come around, it's pretty cool.